The purpose of this video is to provide visual instruction on how to spike and prime your IV bag. Ensure that the clamp on your line is closed, pinching the line shut. You will remove the protective cap from the spike end of the tubing. Be sure not to touch this as it will result in contamination of the line. Remove the cap from the end of your medication bag. In a pushing and twisting motion, you will insert the spiked end of your line into your medication bag. Once the spike is inserted, you will squeeze the drip chamber 2 to 3 times, filling it halfway. Do not fill more than halfway. Once your chamber is filled halfway, you will find your rate control dial on your tubing and ensure that it is turned onto the open position. Once you have ensured that your flow rate is on the open position, you will locate the end of your tubing. You will leave the protective cap in place. You will then unclamp your line, allowing the solution to drip through the tubing and fill the line. It does drip quickly, so be careful to visualize where the solution is. You don't want to waste any medication, but you want to make sure there is no air left in the end of your tubing. Get the medication as close to the cap as possible. Once it is there, clamp your tubing. You will then turn your flow controller to the desired rate. Please check with your provider, pharmacist, or infusion nurse on how quickly your medication is to infuse. Continue to watch our next video on how to connect your primed medication tubing to your IV line.